Welcome to Peaceful Living Homes. In today's episode, we're exploring the world's most beautiful homes, built right on water. These modern floating masterpieces combine breathtaking design with serene views and sustainable living. From sleek architecture to eco-conscious details, each home is a blend of comfort and innovation, crafted to float gently with nature. Get ready to experience peaceful living like never before. Floating homes aren't just about novelty, they're about lifestyle. Imagine sipping your morning coffee as the water sparkles all around you. These modern floating homes offer panoramic views, cozy interiors, and a sense of calm that's hard to find elsewhere. Whether nestled in lakes or lined along quiet canals, each home invites you to slow down and connect with nature. Luxury meets sustainability in today's modern floating homes. Designed with solar panels, rainwater harvesting, and energy-efficient materials, these houses redefine what it means to live green. But they don't compromise on beauty. Open floor plans, floor-to-ceiling windows, and natural wood tones make each one a floating sanctuary. What makes floating homes so magical? It's the gentle movement of water, the ever-changing reflections, and the quiet escape from busy city life. These homes offer an unmatched combination of tranquility and design. Whether minimalist or ultra-modern, every floating home tells a unique story of innovation and harmony with the earth. From Amsterdam's iconic houseboats to futuristic designs in Norway and Canada, floating homes are becoming symbols of smart, adaptable living. Their designs respond to rising sea levels and shrinking urban spaces, while still offering all the comforts of a high-end lifestyle. They're not just homes, they're floating dreams. Some of the most impressive modern floating homes blend into their natural settings perfectly. Built with materials that reflect the surrounding water and sky, they almost disappear into the landscape. But step inside, and you'll find sleek kitchens, cozy bedrooms, and luxurious decks perfect for stargazing. Floating homes are more than just architecture. They're a state of mind. They invite peace, stillness, and freedom from the noise of daily life. These stunning homes are perfect for creatives, adventurers, or anyone who dreams of waking up to rippling water and endless horizons. Now that's what we call peaceful living. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.